Hi everyone. Some people, when they start solving this math problem, they'll do this. They will start here, 6 divided by 3, which is 2. And then they'll bring down the division symbol down, the 4 down, the other division symbol down, and the 4 down. And then they'll divide 4 divided by 2, which is 2. Then bring down the division symbol down, the 4 down, and now they have 2 divided by 4. They'll probably write it like this, 2 over 4, and then they'll simplify it by dividing like this. 2 divided by 2 is 1, and 4 divided by 2 is 2. 4 divided by 2 is 2. So the answer will be 1/2, 1 over 2, or 0.5. That's the answer. And that is incorrect. Let me show you how to solve this math problem correctly. They forgot to use PEMDAS. And PEMDAS is telling us, hey, you are solving the math problem from left to right according to the levels in PEMDAS. And we only have division. So all we have to do is just divide from left to right, and then we'll use this keep, change, flip rule or method. So we'll keep the first part, we'll change the division to multiplication, and then we'll flip this 6. And we can't just flip a 6, so we have to turn these into fractions to make the math easy. So we got 4 over 1, 6 over 1, 3 over 1, 4 over 1. If you divide them, they're going to give you the number that's on top. It does not change the numbers on top. So 4 divided by 1 equals 4 does not change the 4, does not change the 6, does not change the 3, and does not change the 4 if you divide it by 1. So, all right, so we keep the first part, 4 over 1, change division to multiplication, and then we're going to flip the last part, which is 1 over 6, and then multiply across. So 4 times 1 is 4, and 1 times 6 is 6, and then we'll write this here, 4 over 6, and then we move on to the next. Bring down the division symbol down, right here, then the 3 over 1, and let's just stop there because we're going to keep this, we're going to change the division to multiplication, and we're going to flip this fraction. So it'll be written like this, 4 over 6 times 1 over 3. And just multiply across. So 4 times 1 is 4. 6 times 3 is what? 18. Now we have 4 over 18. Well, let's write it up here for space. So 4 over 18. And then divided by, coming from this, 4 over 1. And again, we use the keep, change, flip method. So we'll write 4 over 18 times, because we changed division to multiplication, and then we flip this fraction. So it'll be written 1 over 4. And then just multiply across. 4 times 1 is 4. And 18 times 4 is, we don't need a calculator for this. Let's just multiply up here. So 18 times 4, right? So 8 times 4 is what? 32. And 4 times 1 is 4. You add 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and you have 72, right? So it'll be 72. So we got 4 over 72. Wow, that's a big number. And we need to break it down. This is called it's a proper fraction. This is a proper fraction, but we need to break this to its simplest form. So let's write it here. 4 over 72. And let's just divide it by 2. So, because I know the top and the bottoms are both numbers that are both even. So that's why I'm dividing by 2. So half of 4 is 2. And then half of 72, let's think about money. That'll be 36, right? 36. Let's check. 36 plus 36. So 6 plus 6 is 12. 3 plus 3 is 6, 7. Yep, 72. So it'll be 36. And then we have 2 over 36. And then let's divide it by, so 2 divided by 2 is 1. And 36 divided by 2 is 18, right? 18 plus 18 is 36. So your answer is 1 over 18. There you go. That's your answer. Again, if you have not subscribed to the channel, please subscribe to the channel. Help me reach 100,000 subscribers. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.